languages teacher, whether actual or aspiring, who loves children and music. With Spanish, French, Italian and German to choose from, running a BilinguaSing franchise could be just the thing for you.
Hola, salut! I'm Kate and I've been running BilinguaSing classes in the Wokingham area in Berkshire since 2015, so just over 5 years for me. I have two girls, as you can see. This is
Eva.
This is Eva, and Eva is
6.
Eva's 6, and this is Zoe.
And I'm 8.
So I started originally with BilinguaSing, as I said, when Eva was really small. I was still on maternity leave actually from my current job, and I chose BilinguaSing because I've been taking Eva along with me to the classes and I really love them. So I'm a linguist. I've been working for many years, my whole career, in corporate jobs, in marketing jobs. I'd used my languages to a certain extent in all those roles, but not as much as I would like. And I was looking for something that would be a bit more flexible around the girls. Zoe was just about to start school, so I wanted something that fitted in around school hours and would suit us better as a family.
I'm Lucy and I've been running BilinguaSing Spanish and French classes in Birmingham since September 2019, and I've got 2 little ones of my own, 2 beautiful girls, Daisy and Poppy, who are 5 and 2. Before joining BilinguaSing, I was a languages teacher mainly in secondary school, and as well as all the admin and bureaucracy and planning, which now I had my own 2 little girls, I didn't want to be spending all of the hours that you would normally be spending doing that kind of thing.
Hello, my name's Holly and I teach French in Surrey, and I've been teaching since February 2018, so over 2 years now, and it's been fab. I have 2 children, Lila who's 5, Chester who's 3, and obviously doing this means that I spend a lot of time with them at home still, and I'm able to take them to school and pick them up. And I think I chose BilinguaSing over any other franchise out there because of a conversation I had with Ellie. She was just somebody that was really inspiring.
So yeah, it's amazing. And on the few days where maybe I am feeling, certainly early on, where I was maybe still a bit sleep deprived, and feeling like I needed a little bit of a boost to be able to do my class properly, I just remember so vividly realising, no, I don't need a boost because the class itself gives me that boost. I mean, I'm trying to give that to other people, but the class energises me, so I don't need anything else, and it's great.
Bonjour, guten Tag, my name's Karen. I run BilinguaSing classes in French and German around Coventry and Kenilworth and nearby areas. I have 2 young children, 2 girls, 2.5 and very nearly 5. And previously, before I started with BilinguaSing, I was a secondary languages teacher in Coventry. So what first attracted me to BilinguaSing, I was basically just looking for a way that I could still teach the languages that I love and that I've always wanted to teach. But I was just searching for this more flexibility, for this, you know, everyone talks about it, this work and work-life balance I just simply wasn't getting as a secondary teacher. And BilinguaSing, the way it works, it just seemed to give me that it would give me that bit of flexibility and that choice about when I worked and you know, how I do things to fit in with my life. So that was the big attraction for me and what I was really looking for at the time. The first challenge that I experienced as a BilinguaSing franchisee was actually a rather large challenge. My start date for classes coincided with lockdown for the coronavirus pandemic. So I wasn't actually able to go and do my class as planned. BilinguaSing switched everything online, which was daunting in a way, but I felt completely supported and comforted, I suppose, by the fact that despite this feeling like it was very new to me, it was actually new to everybody. So even the teachers that have been doing it for years and years, this online version of the classes was completely new to them as well. So we were all able to discuss things together and help each other out with ideas, support each other with the technical issues, and I've learned a lot from it really, and I've certainly felt very supported by the whole BilinguaSing team in just that feeling that we are all in this together.
Well, I think we all do feel that we are a family. We're really supportive of each other. Although we're not close together physically, we have so much support on Facebook groups. We meet regularly at franchisee conferences, so we can all share ideas and thoughts about what we can do in our classes to help each other.
Like learning the songs and practicing and setting up how I'm going to do the classes. My whole family has been a part of that, and my children have really enjoyed it. So I feel like it's a gift I've managed to give to them as well. And it's wonderful seeing their reaction to it.
So, if you are a teacher and you love music and languages, then you should definitely consider joining BilinguaSing. I don't think you'll regret it. I haven't looked back.
So if you want to work for yourself and you love music and you love languages, then join BilinguaSing. Come be a part of the BilinguaSing family. It's so much fun. It's really a joy to teach our children through singing, through having lots of fun. So that's what learning languages should be.
To find out more, visit bilinguasing.com today, where a whole new world awaits.